the chain of thought that just unblocked your hardest ticket? You rented it. You don't own a single token of that reasoning. And closed labs were fine, keeping it that way while the meter kept running on every call. January 20th, 2025, DeepSeek released R1, an open-weight reasoning model post-trained with large-scale reinforcement learning on hard verifiable tasks. This was aimed squarely at the O1 tier, not another thin chat wrapper dressed up as a breakthrough for the timeline. They report R1 on par with OpenAI o1-1217 across math, code, and broad reasoning benchmarks that matter when tickets pile up. Multi-step thinking that builders were told lived only behind a metered closed API is finally weights you can pull and inspect. But if you only watched the leaderboard, you missed the part that actually changes your stack this quarter. The full flagship checkpoint was never the whole drop for indie teams who still fit models on iron they already bought. Alongside R1, DeepSeek shipped dense distilled checkpoints from 1.5 billion through 70 billion parameters on Quen and Llama bases. R1 reasoning patterns compressed into sizes you can run overnight on hardware you already own without renting another GPU hour from the cloud. Here is the part most explainers bury under the scoreboard clips. A model can match closed reasoning and still be dead weight if the license blocks productization. Open weights without real freedom are just a fancy demo you cannot ship to paying users. License is the unlock, not the screenshot. R1 and every distillation ship under MIT. Commercial use, modification, and further distillation allowed without a vendor permission slip. O1-Class behavior. You evaluate, self-host, and productize without betting the stack on one vendor's metered API. You stop renting the chain of thought. You download it, own it, and ship.